day 5 of why is my newborn doing this strange thing. So today we're going to discuss hiccups and sneezing. So again, the baby's nervous system is a little bit immature. And so in order to blow their nose when their nasal passages are really narrow, they sneeze a lot. Totally normal. Does not mean they're getting sick or a cold. That usually is a little bit different. And then also the hiccups. So babies hiccup a lot of times when they're in the womb, and then also they hiccup a lot when they're first born. And it usually causes us more discomfort than the baby, and usually they'll just go away with time and lessen with time as well. As always, if you're concerned, you should always ask your pediatrician these questions.